Today we're working on an E-250 that has no power to the fuel pump. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now, a number of vehicles have a fuel pump relay. This one does as well. The fuel pump relay, however, on this one is working perfectly fine, so it's actually sending power back there. But then on these particular Ford vehicles, they use a fuel pump control module. And the module actually varies the RPM of the fuel pump. So unfortunately, a lot of people end up putting fuel pumps in and not fixing the car. And the bottom line is it ends up on this vehicle that the fuel pump control module is not regulating the fuel pump. And so the pump's not coming on at all. And we had a situation where the engine wouldn't start. This particular one's located back by the spare tire. Hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.